Alright, hello everyone, I'm back again for another Android tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to implement a Dagger 2. Okay, it's just a simple implementation of Dagger 2. Okay, let's start. So as you can see, I have 4 annotation here. These are the Dagger annotations. So first one is the module and the provides. So the class, or it's a class and method that provides a dependency. Okay, next is the @inject. So @inject is the request a dependency, and then the last annotation that we will going to use is @component. So @component enable the module, this one to perform dependency injection. Okay, so I hope it makes sense to you. So I have this what you call this, flowchart, planner, whatever. So okay, module, inside the module we have the provider. Okay, and component enables the module to be used by the activity. So the activity injects the object, okay, and this object is from the module. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Okay, let's say we want to cook an egg, and then the main ingredient is the egg. So the egg is from the refrigerator. So let's assume this module is the refrigerator, okay, and the provider is the egg. Okay, and we are here. So so we will search in the refrigerator if they have an egg. So the module search for it, and if they have an egg, it will provide us the egg, and then we get the egg from the module. Okay, that's it. I hope it makes sense now. So let's implement it. Let's close this. Okay, so here in the Android Studio, let's create a class. Okay, let's call it refrigerator module. Okay, and at the top of this public class refrigerator module, let's add the annotation called module. Oh, okay, I forget. We need to add this to our Gradle. Okay, so copy it and then move it here. Okay, let's fix this, change this to implementation. What is the version of our Dagger? So it's 2.18. let's change the X to 18 because that's the version of the Dagger, latest version of the Dagger. So let's sync now. After the Gradle build is finished, okay, let's start to, before that, let's add the constructor, and here let's add the provider. So we want to return the string to our, we want to return the string, and let's call it provide eggs. Okay, let's return let's say 2 eggs. Okay, so the next thing we are going to use is create a interface. So app component, wait, here interface, click OK, and here at top of the public interface app component, let's add the annotation, add component, and then modules. So this, copy this module, let's add it here. So, and here inside the app component, the main activity will use this module. So let's add the void inject main activity. Okay, that's it here. So the next, let's add the application class, application that extends application. Okay, oh wait, let's change its name, let's delete it, change its name to let's name it whatever, let's call it eggs application, and extends application. Okay, and override the onCreate method here, app component, call it app component, initialize it here inside the onCreate. Before that, let's make project. Okay, after that, initialize it, Dagger app component, that builder, and then refrigerator module. Okay, then call the refrigerator module, then build. Okay. It says it's what deprecated. It's because we haven't used it. Okay, so let's add the getter for our app component, and let's move to main activity. So here, add this code, eggs application, and get application. Okay, then get app component and inject this class. Okay, and then here string eggs, we will get the eggs. So let's add an annotation of @inject at the top of the string, because in the refrigerator module it returns a string. So here the object is string. So let's go to activity main and show the eggs to the text view. So let's get this ID. Let's add an ID for our text view. Let's say eggs. Okay, copy it and find the view, eggs view, find view by ID. Copy, I paste it here, and then eggs view set text. Let's add a text. Cook the eggs. Okay, so we cook the eggs. Okay, so let's try it if it works. So just gonna connect my emulator or my device. And run it. Okay, it says class cast exception. Okay, I forgot something in the manifest. Let's add the application. Okay, eggs application. So let's run it. So as you can see, we now have 2 eggs, and that's it. It's the simple implementation of the Dagger 2. I hope it helps you. So if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel and have a productive day.